In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. If you've ever needed to confirm what you sent, who received it, or when it went out, this is the quickest way to get clarity inside Outlook. Start by opening Outlook and making sure you're in the Mail view. That's the layout with your folders on the left, your message list in the center, and a reading pane on the right. If you currently see Calendar, People, or another area, switch back to Mail so you can access your folders and message list. Next, look to the left side of your screen. This is the folder pane, and it's where Outlook organizes all your mail folders for each account you've added. If you use more than one email account, you'll see a separate section for each with its own inbox, drafts, and sent items. This is helpful to remember because sent messages are stored per account, not globally. Within that pane, find the folder labeled Sent Items. In some versions it may appear as Sent or Sent Mail, but it serves the same purpose. Click on Sent Items for the account you want to review. As soon as you select it, the middle section updates to show your sent messages. If you don't see sent items right away, your folder list might be collapsed. Click the small arrow or triangle next to your email account name to expand the list of folders underneath it. Once expanded, you should see sent items alongside other standard folders, and you can select it from there. With sent items open, your messages will appear in the main window, usually sorted by date with the newest at the top. Scroll to move through your history, and click any message to preview it in the reading pane. You'll be able to see the recipient's, subject, timestamp, and the contents of what you sent. Depending on your layout, you might also see columns like to end date, or preview lines that show the first part of your message. If the order looks different from what you expect, that's just a view preference. Your messages are still there, and the most recent ones are typically near the top. If you've connected multiple accounts, make sure you're checking the Sent Items folder for the correct account. And if you just sent an email, give it a moment to appear as Outlook syncs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.